good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Nice. A big blocker. Morning, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, welcome back to the channel at Spearfishing with Odane. So, you know, we're out here this morning once more again. I'm gonna take on the water. Madam Mean, my people. Yes, I'm out here this morning with Captain Spear. Yeah, man, I just the tour with this morning, guys. So basically we are go out there. Go see if we can find some lovely fish this morning. Yeah, man. Long time we don't find some lovely fish. I just barracuda for the past 2 months or so, you know. So we want to go out there this morning. Well, see the sun have come up over in the east, you know. So yeah, man, my people. So we just go out there this morning and hopefully we can have a lovely catch, you know what I mean? So like me say, just stick and stay and see the catch, you know? Yeah, man. Just a come. Only barra me kid. Eh? Nah man.
We all get bigger job there now.
Oh, we reel up him line, you know. The man a pull in him catch. That's what he actually caught today, you know. 3 barracuda me family. Yes, a beautiful people, yeah. So you know, basically we just forward out of the water and Captain Spear. Well, the day never go as gone to how we plan it, you know, because like I said, we never did a go. We catch the barracuda this morning, but basically we never did a see no other fish. So we just have to make some drop on the barracuda. So you know, from we see them, now go easy for we pass them. So I just barracuda we catch this morning, you know. Me and Captain Spear catch 3 and me catch 3 as well. So I just like go right ahead and show you what we actually caught today, you know. Yeah, so this is a Captain Spear catch, you know. I'm already clean it on and slice it up. I'm going to go on with the one catch and sell. Elder this I go buy him, you know. So this is and next to
no, me
so him
buy the pack, me buy a 2 pack, me buy
catch 3 barracuda today, you know.
So me buy
my 3 them over there, so yeah man. So this is the catch of the day, you know. So 6 barracuda in total. Thief, so Captain Spear are separate slicing, you know.
Slice more to the customers.
Yeah man.
I've got my maybe a week amount of fish.
Yeah man.
All barracuda. All nicely, precisely sliced.
Yeah man.
And clean.
Catch and sell style.
Catch and sell style Odane. Spearfishing.
Yeah.
Rasta up on the scene.
Yeah, my peeps.
We don't
So
care
that
what price.
is basically it. We never get as much clippings when we are cleaning up the fish, you know, because it's so busy. You know? Yeah man, so you just so go on with a catch and sell right at the beach side, you know. So yeah man. So we just go pack up the gears them now and go and chill a bit on the beach. And you know, me I go drop one Captain Spear, you know. Yeah man, so after that just head home. So I want enough respect every time, blessing, always, guidance.